The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Abacus Division, Demonstration of Assumed Quotient, Method 1. Let us take the example 3588 divided by 46. Set the dividend 3588 in the right side of the abacus, that is 3 in the thousands column, 5 in the hundreds column, 8 in the tens column and 8 in the units column. Set the divisor 46 in the extreme left of the abacus. First, you have to decide where the quotient should be set. For this, take the highest digit of the divisor and consider the highest digit of the dividend. Here, 3 is the highest digit of the dividend and 4 is the highest digit of the divisor. As 4 is greater than 3, there is no need to skip a column in setting the quotient. Having cleared this, we have to get into the concept of assumed quotient, as the divisor is a 2-digit number. In selecting the assumed quotient, you can follow a simple technique which holds good most of the time. See the highest digit of the dividend. If it is less than the highest digit of the divisor, consider the first 2 digits of the dividend. In this problem, it is 35. See the first digit of the divisor, it is 4. Now ask how many 4s in 35? You get 8. As a general rule, reduce 1 from 8, that makes it 7. That can be treated as the assumed quotient. Most of the time, the assumed quotient selected in this manner becomes the actual quotient. Set the assumed quotient 7. Now multiply 7 with 4 of the divisor 46. That is 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. That is 2 is subtracted from the thousands column and 8 should be subtracted in the hundreds column, as we cannot subtract 8. Subtract 1 and add 2 in the hundreds column. Now multiply 7 with 6, that is 42. The 42 should be subtracted from 7 and 8. In the hundreds column, you subtract 5 and add 1. In the tens column, you subtract 2. Now we are left with 368 in the dividend. Now you take the first 2 digits of the dividend, that is 36. Now take the divisor, which is 46. So here 36 is less than 46. Hence your assumed quotient is the actual quotient. In the abacus, you will now find 3 in the hundreds column, 6 in the tens column and 8 in the units column. The divisor is 46 and you have 368 in the dividend. Now ask how many 4s in 36? They are 9. Reduce 1 from 9, which gives you 8. Select the assumed quotient as 8. Multiply 8 with 4 of the dividend, that is 32. So clear 3 in the hundreds column and 2 from the tens column, that is subtract 5 in the upper abacus and add 3 in the lower abacus. You are left with 4 in the tens column and 8 in the units column. Now multiply 8 with 6, which is 48. That should be cleared from the tens column and the units column. The quotient is 78. There is no remainder in this problem, and in this case the assumed quotient has become the real quotient.